Hello traders, this is the new video by Flash Trade 1 where I'm showing one of the real account. I've shown this account previously 5 times and as of now I'm showing this account for the 6th time. Let us first of all check the first order ID of this account so that we can confirm with previous 5 updates that this account and the account that I've shown in previous 5 updates both are same. The first order ID of this account is 40606015. Now let us see the previous update of this account. This is the previous update of the account which was made on January 15, 2021. Today the date is 20th January 2021. So after 5 days, I'm updating this account for the 6th time. During the 5th update, the total profit on the account was 61,700 with 61.7% overall ROI. Trading, and as of now the profit on this account has been increased to $66,792.75, so almost 66,800. So in 5 days account increased from 61,700 to 61,800. so you can count the total profit that has been increased on the account is $5,000. Now also in the previous updates of the video you can match the order ID that has been used on this account. In update 1, update 2, you would be able to see that I've shown the trading access of this account by placing the live order and confirmed that this account is totally managed by Flash Trade 1. While in all the 5 updates, you can confirm the order ID and you can verify that the account is same. Here the account is traded purely with our trend indicator. This is our multiple in one trend indicator and our support and demand indicator. Here we are trading the Euro related pair, CAD related pair, JPY related pair and GBP related pair. So all the currency pairs which include this currencies, we trade those pairs in this account along with greeting lot size, and the greeting lot size starts with 1.0. In previous videos I've shown that how we use the greeting along with compounding, so you can refer the previous videos and you can verify everything over there. Here we are doing day trading. You can see over here that the trade placed at 18:54 and closed at 19, so for trade was open for 1 hour. So this here we are not using the scalping is not being used on this account, and purely we are using holding or day trading is being done on this account. Also this is the complete automized strategy. For day trading we use M15, M30 and H1 time frame, and whenever a sell or buy indication is shown in this time frame in the currency pairs that we have seen, automatically the trade are going to be placed on this account. So if you have an account of 100k, that is $1 lakh, then you would be earning daily 1300 to 1500 profit on your account. Now let us check the statement of the account. So I'm moving in the statement of the account where you can see that the profit is 66,798. Our profit factor is good, that is 1.8. If you multiply the profit factor with expected payoff, you will get the total net profit on this account. With average profit trades and average loss trade, one can find the risk reward of this account. The risk and reward of this account is 1:0.99. which has been destroyed. As you can see that in previous update the risk reward was 1:1. Also with average profit and average loss trade, you can find the break-even point of this account, which is 50.0. Real accuracy of this account is 64.8. So we do not promise our client to give the accuracy of 80%, 90%. With just 64.8% accuracy, we are making 1300 to 1500 profit on this account. Similarly, if you have the account of 10k, then with this strategy you can earn daily 130 to 150 profit. So in this way you can count that how much you can make on your account based on your trading capital. Just the lot size will be changed, strategy is going to remain in the same. Also you can see that this chart is constantly up, means there is no up or down in this chart. If there is any up and down in the chart, it means that the trades here, the open trades, goes in loss much of the time. But here our line is straight, it means that we are making consistent profit. Drawdown is not more on this account. You can see that the drawdown is just 4% on the account, which is bearable by everyone if one wants to achieve this profit of 1300 to 1500 in his account. You can verify all the data, this data and this data, and you can see that whether the trading has been improved or trading level has been decreased. As of now, from the data we can see that the trading real accuracy has been maintained, but break-even accuracy has been increased on the account. Risk reward has been decreased on the account, and both of these points are negative for this account. So now in future we'll try to decrease the break-even of this account and at least try to maintain the risk reward of this account. So this is how we trade on our client account. We show this, or we prepare this video just to confirm that you can also make such kind of analysis on your account and you can also improve your own trading. So this is the basic target of making the video, along with showing the profit on the account. If you also want to join your account or want to connect this strategy in your MT4 account, then contact our executive. He or she will guide you that what to do to get the same kind of profit in your account. We'll meet in the next video. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you and goodbye.